I might have made a mistake. I decided I was going to trim the trees in my backyard, and so I tried to pull the bucket truck in, and it got stuck. So to get it out, I've conceived a master plan. I'm going to jack it up using its outriggers, put some timbers underneath it, and I'm going to use my Jeep to pull it out. The only problem is my Jeep doesn't have a winch on it. Let's solve that. Okay, so I bought this. Some of you may recognize this as the Harbor Freight Special. This is the Badland's 12,000 pound winch. I'm hoping that it takes a lot less than 12,000 pounds to get that bucket truck unstuck. But I also have a little secret weapon. The good old snatch block. Well, this will be able to double the line strength on that thing. Hopefully we don't even need this, but I have it just in case. But first we need to open this up, make sure that it's going to work and it's got everything we need. Let's take a look. All right, let's see what's inside this bad boy. I like how it says not a handle, do not use to lift, after everybody and their dog has used it as a handle. Instructions. Remote. That looks pretty sturdy. Hook. A little webbing tag thingamajig. All right, now we're getting down to business. Let's see. Nice, super heavy duty roller Fairlead there. I like that. That thing is definitely skookum. All right. This will be the solenoid box, I presume. Pretty cute. It's got clips to clip onto the top of the winch. Some fairly heavy-duty battery cables there. Looks like you got the 3 that hook up over here, and the 2 that run to the power off the Jeep. Nice little weather-tight enclosure. I like that. Not bad. Mounting hardware. Oh my lord. All right. It's definitely heavy enough, I'll tell you that. All right. I think this thing will work. It's got a spring-loaded tensioner on the wire rope there. That's pretty cool. Keep it from getting crazy, I guess. Getting all flappy on you. Engagement seems pretty good. So yeah, it looks like everything is here that I need to be able to looks like I got everything I need to be able to make this bad boy run. Just a little bit of light hookup once we get it onto the Jeep. go. There we go. This thing spooks the dickens out of me. Getting a big old hot thingamajig hanging right off there. Whew. I'm gonna install it right there and wrap the crap out of it with electrical tape. Time to plug it in and give it a shot. Well, now that I've got a winch on my Jeep, got Eric on his way up to help me, let's see if we can get this thing unstuck. All right, so here's the plan. The bucket truck is up. Oh, it's got a hydraulic leak, looks like. It's up on those landscape timbers. Hopefully it drives right up those to get out. This side we got the hole filled with some 2x4s and more landscape timbers there. And then over here, we've got the Jeep with the new Harbor Freight winch hooked to it. So Eric, you want to grab the winch and get it hooked up?
Yeah.
Declan, you can help him, okay? Let's hope this works.
All right, go ahead and start spooling it up. drive. I'm very sorry for what I did in the backyard. Driving on her own now.
Well, I guess I'll take it as a small victory. We got the bucket truck moved up here where hopefully it'll be able to sit until the ground dries out enough that I can drive it out. But right now it's still as good as stuck. So thanks for tuning in. It's good to know that I've got a working winch on my Jeep that I can pull just about anything I need to. So stay tuned for more of our V8 swap project and some more shenanigans that we're going to get into. As always, thanks for watching. Well, folks, I'm living proof. Procrastination can help solve your problems. It only took 5 months for the ground to dry out well enough for me to be able to move that truck. But finally, it's gone. Time to cut some trees.